My wife blocked me on Facebook because I post too many bird puns. Well, two can't play at that game. My 5-year-old son has started asking awkward questions about the human body. I suppose the freezer wasn't the best place to hide it. What's the difference between a filet mignon and a meteorite? One's meaty, the other's a little meatier. I started reading a horror story in Braille. Something bad is about to happen, I can feel it. How do you cut the ocean in half? With a seesaw. What has 6 hands, 6 legs and 6 eyes? 6 pirates. I tried to lie to my wife, but she's a radiologist. She saw right through me. I'm Bob Jeffy. Before I go, be sure to check out and download my Daily Dad Joke app for Android. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the Dad Joke subreddit from reddit.com. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our Daily Dad Joke app on Android.